Today, we will learn about the use of the intertwine tool, and my sister will present her ABC poem to my viewers. So, stay with me. Let's listen to my sister's ABC poem.
Hi everyone, I am Roma's sister. Today, I will present an ABC poem to Roma's friends. So, let's start it. The poem name is From A to Z, A Journey in Verse.
A is for adventure, where stories begin. B brings the beauty in the world we spin. A is for adventure. T captures the clouds, drifting soft in the sky. T dances with dreams that lift us up high. T captures the clouds. E is the echo of laughter and cheer. E, F flourishes freely, spreading warmth near. G is for growth, like a tree reaching wide. H holds the hope that we carry inside. G is for growth. I ignites inspiration, a sparking our soul. J juggles the joys that make us feel whole. I ignites inspiration. K gives us the goodness we share ever, a day. L lingers in love that puts us on our way. M moves like a melody, sweet in its flow, and nurtures nature where wildflowers grow. Open the heart to the wonders unseen. P paints a picture of what might have been. Opens the heart to the two questions. The quiet stillness of night, a resonates rhythm, heartbeat in flight. Essence of the seasons, each one a delight. T tells the tales that keep dreams in our sight. Sings of the seasons, U unravels the universe, vast and profound. We venture through valleys where treasures are found. W weaves the wisdom of ages gone past. X marks the spot where our dreams hold fast. W weaves the wisdom of Y into the yearning that drives us ahead. L Z closes the circle where journeys are spread. From A to Z, a tapestry stand. Each ledger a thread. Together we are one.
Yeah, how was my sister's poem? Please let me know what you think about my sister's poem in the comment section. And what have you learned today? You are all encouraged to focus on my tutorials and learn as much as you can. I am here to help you with graphic design, the English language, and presenting beautiful poems and stories. Today, my mama told me that I should ask the viewers what they want to learn. Everyone, please feel free to ask any questions about the graphic design process, English grammar, or anything else. Well, our ABC tutorial is in the final stages, and I use the intertwine option here. You all should learn about this tool. Look how beautifully these letters are intertwined. They look very, very beautiful, don't they? My tutorial courses are free of charge, so don't miss the chance to learn the easy techniques of Adobe Illustrator. I am trying to design graphics and logos using simple techniques, while also speaking in accurate English so that you all can learn both graphic design and the language. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.